Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS. I have the new Canon imageFORCE here and I haven't installed it on my computer. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's do it together. Come on. We are definitely going to go to the Canon direct website there, and we have, I'm going to accept because I like all news Canon, software and drivers. No, I don't want to participate. That's not for me. No, thank you. Okay, we're going to get rid of that. It detects your operating system, which is really, really nice. And then it has all of the different drivers here. PostScript is great if you're using a Mac. I am going to stick with the PCL6 driver. So I'm going to download that right now. You will notice that this is an extracted file. So I'm going to go over here into my downloads. And I'm going to right click on this file and I'm going to extract all. Extract. Excellent. Let it do its thing. Okay, perfect. So this is now extracted. It looks perfect. I'm going to close out of here, minimize all of this stuff. You can look at my very chaotic background here. And now I'm going to just type down here, printers and scanners. And I am going to add a device. Here's the deal. I do not want to use the Windows installer. I want to use my own thing. So even though my printer is listed, I'm going to say the printer wasn't listed, and I'm going to add a new device manually. And I'm going to say, yes, I do want you guys to do that. Now, in my previous video, I did go and grab the IP address. So I am going to add a TCP IP device, and I'm going to type in the IP address right here. And now it's over here. It's like, what kind of generic driver do you want? I don't want that. I want to say I have a disk. I'm going to browse. I'm going to go back to my downloads where I was, and I'm going to open the file that I was in before, and then I am going to do the driver until I get to the INF file. And I hit open. It now knows where it is. We hit OK. See, it says Canon Generic Plus PCL6. We did it. We're going to hit next. We're going to use we're going to replace the current driver because I had an old driver. And I'm going to now say that this is the imageFORCE because I have multiple Canon devices, so I want to name it accordingly. It's going to install. So that is how you add the driver for your printer, for your imageFORCE to your desktop. If you have any other questions, you can reach us here at bdsdoc.com or like and follow this channel.